Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you what is the best time to post on TikTok on Saturday. So there is no best time to post your TikToks because TikTok's algorithm is highly personalized. That means that TikTok shows content to users based on their interests and their behavior. And the things that work for some other creators doesn't mean that it will work for you. So success depends on the content of your, the style of your content, and how your audience engages with your content, basically. But I have some tips for you when to post on TikTok better. You should post consistently 3-5 times per week, because consistency is key. And also you should go analyze your TikTok analytics to find when your followers are most active, and then you should on those hours you should post your TikToks. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.